Hello everyone, so we're here from this one in this round number 7 of this analyze of these games here in or skipping by round number 7 in Burns Cup 2025. So it means today is round number 7. So it means so after round number 1 by skipping by here, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it means 5. So it means plus 5. So it means keeping by round number 7 from this one in these games here from this one. So it means I'm I'm also very fasting here from this one. So it means we'll need to pass as you can hear from this one. So it means these are the time clocks from this one within long game within 1 hour and 30 minutes from this one in this round robin here from this one. So in today's round number 7, and also have between from this one in this international master in USA is Alice Lee. So it means cute girl or 15 years old, and also Alice Lee she was a 15 years old from this one. So it means half Korean USA or maybe half Chinese USA. So it means so these are the Chinese eyes or Korean eyes here from this one. And also versus by international master in Poland is Alina Kashlinskaya from this one. So in this today's round number 7 here in this or maybe day 7 in this part of this video, you have analyzed here of these chess games in this one day number 7 in Ferns Cup 2025. So white plays Alice is d4, knight f6 Alina, c4, e6 East Indian defense, knight f3 is called East Indian anti-Nimso Indian variation from this one. So these are the main 9 used by here is knight to c3 or knight to c3 or maybe here by e3. So without e3 here from this one. So Alice moved by knight f3, so it means anti-Nimzo Indian here variation from this one. Bishop b4 check and bishop d2. So it means the realize here bishop d2 here. By if you move by here, use by knight to c3 by using by defense. So it means knight c3. So it means bishop d2 by Alice Lee here from this one and queen e7 without Alina or by using ready by castling kingside by Alina here from this one. So it means without castling and also g3 without move by forward bishop to g3 because these are the ready by castling kingside by Alice Lee here from this one. And bishop captured check, queen takes bishop, knight c6 by Alina. So these are used by knight c6 or they realized here without move by here. So I don't know the knight c6 by Alina. So if we move that by using by move by here by knight to d8. So simple is that's very forward backwards here from this one. And also b3 by Alice T. Knight e4 enterings here by Alina by tempos attacks by queen or threats by targets by queen here from this one. And also queen b2 by Alice T, f5. So it means strongest move. So very strongest by Alina here. And also bishop g2 by ready by castling kingside by Alice Lee here from this one. And decided this one is castle kingside by Alina and knight c3 without ready by captured by knights or very captured by eating from these knights here from this one. So it means so these are the continuations here by connecting by knights. And also d6 by Alina by in the idea here without move by by d5 here, or move forward by d5 without continuations here. And also d5 by stop by black pawns by d5 here from this one, and knight takes captured by knights here, queen takes knight, and also knight d8. So it means with a realize here by Alina, with a decided here to stay by sleeping by knights here from this one. Capture this pawn, knight takes captured, and castle kingside by Alice Lee. So it is the realized by castle here. And also bishop to d7 by Alina, and knight d4. So these are novelty by Alice Lee here from this one. So these are the old main lines here. Is first by here by a4, and second this one is knight fd1. It means knight fd1 here from this old main lines of good novelty. So these are the new third novelty. New novelty is knight d4 by Alice Lee here from this one, and knight c5 without avoided. So avoided by this one. So for example, if you decided this one is knight takes captured. So how do you think from this one? And queen takes captured, and also queen captured. So it means if you queen captured, if you idea here to, if you move by rook to fe1, and also queen to g4 without queen to queen. So realize here these are the good slightly betters from black. So back there is knight to c5 avoided by Alina here from this one. So it means because cannot captured here. So realize here, so knight to c5 without avoided by ignoring by these knights here from this one, and also rook ad1 here without realize here without, or maybe without first rank from this one, and also a5 without in idea to Alina to move forward by a4 by pawns, or the realized too strong is by pushes by pawns here from this one, and also rook fe1, f4 very strongest by Alina, or decided by captured, and also e4. So it means these are the three moves, or the realized here by move by e4 by ready by emphasized captured, or if you realize is rook takes captured by decided by realized by move by defense here from this variation, and also queen e5. So for example, in accept, why don't we emphasize captured from this one, and also rook takes captured pawn without threatening by queens here, without targets by queen, threat by queens here from this one, and decided this one is queen f7. So if you decided this one with the threats by captured by pawns, or without check, because these are the behinds by rooks here. So queen behinds the rooks from this one, and also queen to c2. So it means slightly better from whites here. So look at evaluation bar. These are the highest. This one is whites here from this one. So back there, this one is queen e5 by Alina here, and also queen d2, and also king force h8 without forces here, and a3 without with the idea to move by b4, or captured, or maybe without captured by this one. So it means captured by from this one, or the realized by good determinations from this one, this one, from connecting this one in this pawn or queens, and also rook f6 by Alina without upcoming by battery. So without upcoming battery here from this one, so it means without doubles by rook. So it means does not one of this computer engine by move by rook f6 by Alina. So it means bad move. So the best moves there, this one is One's computer is pushed to a4. So it means without best moves here from this one. So back there, this one is rook f6 by Alina without move by upcoming by battery from this one. So it means without battery here from this one, and also b4 without ready by captured. So it means error move by Alice Lee. So it means error move. Arrow move. So the best moves there, this one is knight to b5. So it means the realize here from this one. So it means knight to b5. So back there, this one is b4 by Alice Lee here, and also captured. So realized by identifications, or according this one by tempos attacks by knights, or so it means threats by knights here from this one. And also knight e6, so it means another bad move by Alina. So the best moves there, this one is a knight a6. So the realize here, if you move by push to b5, threats by knights, and decided this one knight backwards b8. So it means good examples here. So it means these are the determinations from this one. So back there, this one is knight e6 by Alina here without captured, and knight f3, good move by Alice. So the realize here without tempos attacks by queens or threats by targets by queen. So for example, why don't we knight takes captured? Oh, without why don't we knight takes captured here? So it means knight takes e6 here, and also bishop captures knight. So with the idea to threatening by pawns, so how do you think if you threats by pawns here from this one, and decided this one is queen e4 without queen to queen. So if you capture this queen, and rook takes queen. So slightly better from whites and blacks here. So back there, this one is knight f3, good move by Alice Lee from this one. So it means without threats by knights or tempos attacks by queens here from this one. And also queen h5 by Alina, or realize here with the idea to move by rook to h6, or h6 here from this one. So it means h6. So it means these are the continuations here from this one. And also e5 without tempos attacks by rooks, without threats by rooks here. So it means without threatening by rooks here from this one. And also rook ff8, captured, good move by Alice, captured, queen takes captured with idea to threatening by bishop, or maybe tempos attacks by bishops here from this one, and capture this pawn, captured. And if you realize, why don't we queen captured by bishop here from this one? So it means continuations by connecting here by captured. And also bishop c6 by Alina, or maybe without tempos attacks by, oh, there's a mouse here from this one. So bishop c6, or maybe without tempos attacks by knights, or maybe without sacrifice, or queen captured knights here. So these are the triple by targets here from this one. And rook e5 with a threatening by tempos attacks by queen, or connecting by targets by attacking by queens here from this one. And also queen g4, and also knight h2 by Alice without threatening by queen, or threatening by attacks by queens here from this one. And also queen takes captured pawn, and queen takes knight without queen to queen, and queen c2 avoided by ignoring by queen by Alina, or without threatening by rooks, or tempos attacks by rook without after captured without check. So these are the continuations here from this one. So it means one rook down. And also rook f1. So if you decided, why don't we bishop takes captured, from this one, and queen takes captured rook check. So if you move by king g2 here from this one, and if you capture this pawn by bishop, and queen takes pawn. So these are the realized here from this one. So these are examples, or maybe without queens and double rooks and queen rooks and knights here from this one. So it means slightly better here. So back there, this one is rook f1 by Alice Lee, and h6 by Realize here. So if you decide, why don't we bishop captured here, or queen captured by bishop, or maybe without determinations here from this one. And also bishop takes captured, pawn takes bishop, and rook c5 without rook c5 by Alice Lee. Excuse me, I my problem by something sore throat, without, or maybe bad problems from this one. So my voice is still bad here. So let's continue. Is rook c5 by Alice Lee, queen b2 by Alina, without tempos attacks by pawns, threatening by pawns here from this one. And also rook takes captured, queen takes captured, and also queen e5 by Alice Lee here from this one. And also queen d2 without, or maybe without rook. So it means I don't know what the threats here from this one. So it means queen d2, rook d6 without tempos attacks by queens, and rook a e8 with the threats here before. If you capture this one, if you rook takes queen and continue, is rook takes captured. So it means queen to queen from this one. These are determination examples. And the last shot, queen takes g7 check. So it means resigned by Alina. So why she resigns? Because if you decided this one is king takes captured queen only move, and also rook takes queen. Without queen to queen, so it means fatal. So if you decided, if you two doubles by rooks, these are three pieces, double rooks and knights. So it means these are the plus 4 from this one. So it means wins for white from this one, or lose by black. So I'm sorry I got sore throat by problems, so I cannot hear by voices by this one. So the score from this accuracy by Alice Lee is 93.3, and the score by Black Pieces by Alina is 87.1. So the winner from this round number 7 by highest score. So it means International Master Alice Lee by 15 years old. Congratulations. So I will skip by +2 from last round, round number 9. So these are the close friends from this one. In this, USA is International Master Carissa Yip versus International Master Alice Lee here from this one. I hope this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Loagi 17, aka Mark 17, and have a good day. Keep safe, and please don't forget to follow by Internet Chess Club from this one. So I signed up here by international, or maybe by Internet Chess Club here. So don't forget to add me in this one, in Internet Chess Club, Mark 17. So have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of this next chess updates. Bye bye.